Why not to wait until spring to make a move? The housing market recovery coming into the new year has been nothing short of remarkable. Many experts agree the turnaround from the nation's economic pause is playing out extremely well for real estate, and the current market conditions are truly making this winter an ideal time to make a move. Here's a dive into some of the biggest wins for home buyers this season. Number 1, mortgage rates are historically low. In 2020, mortgage rates hit all-time lows 16 times. Continued low rates have set buyers up for significant long-term gains. In fact, Realtor.com notes, given the means, homes could cost potentially tens of thousands less over the lifetime of the loan. Essentially, it's less expensive to borrow money for a home loan today than it has been in years past. Although mortgage rates are expected to remain relatively low in 2021, even the slightest increase can make a big difference in your payments over the lifetime of a home loan. So, this is a huge opportunity to capitalize on right now before mortgage rates start to rise. Number 2, equity is growing. According to John Burns Consulting, 58.7% of homes in the US have at least 60% equity, and 42.1% of all homes in the country are mortgage free, meaning they are owned free and clear. In addition, CoreLogic notes the average equity homeowners gained since last year is 17,000. That's tremendous amount of forced savings for homeowners and an opportunity to use this increasing equity to make a moving into a home that fits your changing needs this season. Number 3, home prices are appreciating. According to lending experts, home prices are forecasted to continue appreciating. Today, many experts are projecting more moderate home price growth than last year, but still moving in an upward direction through 2021. Knowing home values are increasing while mortgage rates are so low should help you feel confident that buying a home before prices rise even higher is a strong long-term investment. Number 4, there are not enough homes for sale. With today's low inventory of homes on the market, which is contributing to the home price appreciation, sellers are in the driver's seat. The competition is high among buyers, so homes are selling quickly. Making a move while so many buyers are looking for homes to purchase may mean your house rises to the top of the buyer pool. Selling your house before more listings come to the market in the traditional busy spring market might be your best chance to shine. Bottom line, if you're considering making a move, this may be your moment, especially with today's low mortgage rates and limited inventory. Let's connect to get you set up for home buying success in the new year. My name is Tony Poppet, and I am a realtor and mortgage loan originator from Roseville, California. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and stay safe. Bye bye.